I'm Dr. Burke Chegar, and today we're going to talk about Bellafill. It's an exciting treatment used for facial volume loss, fine lines, and acne scarring. It's approved for 5 years, and today we're going to demonstrate that on a patient who's 53 years old. She's got early facial aging. She's lost a little bit of facial volume and some fine lines, and we'll show today what a natural result Bellafill can create. Going to treat the mid-face. That involves the cheek complex, so bringing volume in this area. There's also some fine lines due to volume loss. This patient is in good health. She doesn't have a lot of excess bodily fat, so we lose some of the subcutaneous fat. So I'm going to use the Bellafill to inject a little bit in a very fine linear fashion to these fine lines here, which will help improve the skin texture. I'm also going to use the product in the cheek to help build up a cheek, which gives a little bit of a lift effect. Lastly, I'll put a small amount of the product into the smile line on this side, and then we're going to do a very similar type of treatment. Her nasolabial fold is a little bit deeper here. She has more of a full cheek on the left side. This won't need as much of the product in the cheek. We also have the fine lines radiating out from the smile line. So similar to the right side, we're going to put very small, thin threads of the product, which will stimulate the collagen growth and help the overall skin tone over the coming months. I'm going to put a little bit of anesthetic into the places we're going to do the injection. So this is a 1% lidocaine, similar to what you would get in a dental office. This will start the numbing process just a bit. Won't feel any pokes with the cannula when we introduce that. I'm going to put some of the local anesthetic into the treatment areas. This just helps to numb, also reduces the chance of getting a bruise. I'm now going to inject the Bellafill. I'm going to inject a syringe now that's got the PMMA and collagen. The collagen will give us the immediate correction that will last for a few months. The PMMA will start to stimulate the patient's own collagen that will help with skin texture as well as create a long-term results that will last several years. I've injected one syringe to the cheek. We've got a really good contour to the cheek that gives a nice youthful appearance to the upper part of the cheekbone. I'm not going to do the nasolabial fold, the smile line right about there to the same spot. Now I'm going to do a little bit of the product down to the marionette line, as well as the linear threading injections to the lower face to help stimulate collagen underneath these very fine lines. I'm going to come in a different direction to the marionette line, the crosshatch technique here, which allows just kind of a gradual build up in this area so it doesn't look like there's a unusual fullness there that shouldn't be there. I've just finished a 3-syringe Bellafill treatment. As you can tell, we already have improvement in the volume of the cheeks. She's symmetrical now, has a very youthful look in the upper face. The product that I've put in very small threads underneath the fine lines underneath both lower cheeks will start to stimulate collagen, and you'll see a natural, slow improvement to those areas, which will be long-term. The treatment with Bellafill may produce minor bruising and swelling. I like my patients to use arnica afterwards to help reduce that, but as you can tell, patients are ready to go back to work and normal activity within a very short period of time. Bellafill is one of our better treatments for long-term improvement of facial aging. It is an economical treatment for patients who want to maintain a natural result, who don't want to continue to do repeated injections every 6 to 8 months. The results are natural. The treatment itself is easy to do with very little downtime. We're excited to offer this product and certainly promote it as one of our best options for patients who like to do a low-down treatment to really create a visible but natural result.